Can we hear some commotion for the lash? The lash looks bomb.
Yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you would stay, subscribe, and become a part of the Fashionceesta family. Here over on my channel, I show you guys the most affordable ways to be your baddest bitch. Today, we're going to be talking about one of my favorite steps in makeup: lashes. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my top 5 favorite lashes that are like my go-to for any particular reason. These are the 5 lashes that I keep in rotation. Also going to include pictures as well so you guys can see examples of how those lashes look on me. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump to the first pair of lashes. So one, I like for a lash to be nice and full and wispy. I need that lash band to not be so heavy and thick to the point where my eye is shut, because then it doesn't serve a purpose in wearing the lash if I can't keep my eye open. And then also the durability, because you know, from taking your lashes off or snatching them off, I like to get a lash that I know I can use a couple times. In my personal opinion, the more you wear a lash, the more wear and tear to the lash, the better and the more natural the lash starts to look. The first pair of lashes, I'm going to show you guys the packaging. It is a different lash that's also in this haul. I'm just going to show you what the packaging looks like. So I get these from my local hair store. It is the I Envy Remy 3D Invisible Band Lash. They are 100% human hair and naturally fluffy. So these lashes, when I tell y'all, like, oof. The first 3 pair of my favorite lashes I'm going to show you guys are from this brand. They're in 3 different styles, obviously. But y'all, these lashes are the chef's kiss I never knew I needed. This particular lash by the I Envy line from Kiss is in the style 06. This is a lash where if I'm doing something creative and I want the eye makeup to stand out, but I still need a lash, I will pop this lash on. If you get your lash extension shaped like a cat eye, I think that you guys will absolutely love this lash. And like I said, if I'm wearing a look that's a little more dramatic, or I'm winging out the shadow, or I actually have a wing liner, then I will always pull for this lash. The second lash I'm going to be showing you guys are the lashes that I'm actually wearing right now. These are my babies. When I tell y'all, like, when I tell you this is like the perfect lash, if you are somebody who gets lash extensions and you like the classic wispy lash look, this lash emulates this so much. One of the pair of lashes that whenever I'm out, people are like, oh my God, like your lashes look so good. Who do you go to get your lashes done? And I'm just like, girl, I go to iKiss Envy and I go to Even Forever Bond Grip to get my lashes done. And they're like, what? I'm like, this is a lash strip, girl. Like, these ain't no lash extensions. Like, this is literally a lash strip. It took me maybe 5 minutes to pop these things on. So I absolutely love this lash. If I'm in a hurry and I know, like, I just want to do something very simple like this look I'm wearing today, lashes in the style 01 are like my go-to. Cop you some. All right, so these lashes here, these lashes I would compare to a volume set of lash extensions. This is also another pair of lashes where whenever I wear this out, people are like, oh my God, your lashes look so good. Who do you go to get your lashes done? And then, you know, I told them the same thing I told them about style number 1. These are the lashes in style 05. Y'all, when I tell you, like, if you want that, I call it like the influencer style lashes, because you know all the baddies are getting their full volume sets and we got to look at their stores where they're batting their eyes and all that other stuff like that, where the lashes look really full. This lash strip is a great alternative of like trying to get your natural lashes to be healthy again, because you wear lash extensions a lot, but you don't want to like sacrifice that lash extension look. I definitely recommend this 05 lash because it's gonna give you that same full volume thickness and the lash does not feel heavy. We hear some commotion for the lash. The lash, so these next pair of lashes I actually featured on my channel probably, well, definitely was last year. I featured these lashes on my channel sometime last year. If you guys do not know, Beyonce's makeup artist, well, one of her makeup artists, Raquel, he started a lash line. The lashes are beautiful, they are affordable, and they are super durable, and they are not heavy. I cannot stress the importance of a mink lash not being heavy. These solar flare lashes really stole my heart. I was wearing them every single day until I came across my I Kiss Envy lash. And the only reason why I opted to wearing those lashes over the Raquel Beauty lashes was, one, because they were a lot more affordable. So if I messed it up, I could replace it, versus these solar flare lashes that retail for $18. If I mess this up, I would have to not only buy the lash again, but also pay for shipping, because you can't just walk into a store and pick up these Raquel Beauty lashes. When it was a special occasion, your girl set the I Kiss Envy lashes aside. Not that they aren't good for that, but like the Raquel Beauty lashes, they're just so gorgeous, and they look like my ideal set of lash extension. The band is super comfortable, the lashes are super full. I've worn these countless times. I know I've worn these lashes more than 30 times, and this is still the same first pair of solar flare lashes that I own. So these are my absolute favorite lashes from Raquel Beauty. I will leave the link down below in the description box, as well as to the other lashes as well, if I can find one for the INB lashes, so that way you guys can check out, purchase these lashes if you guys would. Y'all, my good sis Catherine, she did that, okay? She did that. Normally, I would not go for a mink lash where I can see like the band is black, because sometimes those lashes are indication that the lash is going to be heavy. I absolutely wanted to support her channel. I'm gonna link the video above in the card somewhere, so if you guys can see the review. I'm not gonna just I'm not gonna do, I guess, 2 reviews for the lashes, but like I have to stop myself because I really want to go into like stan mode, because ever since I got my package, I have not stopped wearing these lashes. This Sophia lash by the Catherine collection, not only is it full, not only is it flirty, it is not heavy, and this lash band is perfect. These lashes are so beautiful. Like, can we just get into it? I know I only had like one picture for the other lash styles, but I had to just show y'all like how many times I've been wearing these lashes. Like literally, I've been trying to get up, do my makeup every day. I have been wearing these Sophia lashes literally every single day since I got the packaging. Like, these lashes are so bomb, and they're affordable, y'all. These lashes retail for $9. I'm not gonna tell y'all which video, because y'all should be supporting her content regardless, and mine. But if you look at her video, she not only are the lashes already affordable, she's also offering like a coupon code in one of her videos for you guys to save even more money on these lashes that are already super affordable and bomb. Also, as an extra bonus, Catherine sent me another pair of lashes. When I got my first order, she just randomly put a second pair of lashes in it. Like, customer service A1. These lashes are in the style Jacqueline. These lashes are also really beautiful. Again, if you want to see what these lashes look like as far as like a picture or whatever the case may be, now I will leave the video link to my Catherine collection review in the description for you guys to check out. Yeah, like, I am obsessed with these lashes. Catherine did that. Sophia is that. So that is it, you guys. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. I hope that you found some products that also interest you as well. I will try to make sure that I have all links for the lashes down below. Definitely for the Catherine collection, for the Raquel Beauty lashes, I will have those links down below in the description box. And if I am lucky enough to find a INV lash link for these lashes, because like I said, they do come in like a wholesale type environment. I don't know if you can like go onto their website and buy them individually. Either way, I will link it down below in the description box. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my